Nice little bedroom here. And you know what I'm gonna put back in here? You've been watching my videos, you would have seen that in this corner, there was a sauna in here. Had to take the sauna out, and that sucker works good, by the way, and I need to get it back up. I'm gonna be here a few more days, and I wanna get into that sauna. But before that, I just sealed this floor. I put 2 coats of sealer on here, and the last coat I put on was over a day ago. And I'm gonna let this set for another day, or maybe just a hair longer. Let this floor dry and cure 100%. It says 72 hours to let it cure before you put furniture back in and stuff. But I got the ceiling fan. There's a ceiling fan in here, and I'm going to go ahead and probably close this door when I leave out of here to get this all nice and dry. And for the time being, the piece of carpet that was here and the carpet pad, I'm going to put back just in this corner, and then put the carpet back, and then set it on top of that. So I'm thinking 48 hours I might be good, or 60 hours, something like that. Because this sauna, I'm going to put back together, and I'm going to show you how to do that later on another video if you care to watch that. And I'm only going to use an Allen wrench. That's it. You'll see how easy this thing goes back together. I've only taken it apart once. It was kind of tricky to come apart until I figured out how to do it. But we're going to put it, I'm going to help the owner put it back together. And this house is going to be sold in a few months. Once it gets sold, then guess what? The sauna is going with her to wherever she moves, and she's going to have to pull it down with somebody else's help next time. She can watch the video of us taking it apart, putting it back together, if she forgets. Okay? And then that's how that's going to happen. So if you want to watch that, keep watching my channel, and I'll have it up soon. That's all I got for this time, and I'll be back with more videos.